just like that, plant 26 has officially begun. Technically almost 16 acres in, but it was, for anybody watching this, for anybody that hard clay, I should have known to slow down. Anybody watching this, the end rows, I mean, you're steering, you're watching for objects. It's just better to make sure that you're paying attention. So no video of the end rows, and then as I've gotten to go back and forth, I just wanted a chance to see how things are going. But the John Deere 9200, my Brent field cultivator that is a Tiger Mate 2 copy, and then I have my new, to me, J&M 212 rolling basket. And then I do my auto steer with the On-Track 3 through Ag Leader with my Integra. Still just in the beginning stages, so optimistic. That's what you gotta be when it comes to this. But, just watchful eye to make sure everything is going right. So 16 acres in of 150, so still a lot to do, but I'm excited. Anytime you're out here in the 9200, or as we call it, the Alyssa 2, there is a story behind that. So the tractor I bought back in 2024, and signed the papers in January. I get the call on Valentine's Day that they'd like to deliver because they had been hearing that the weight restrictions were going to be putting on the road. So they asked if they could deliver it on the 14th. Yeah. So thankfully, my beautiful wife, she was understanding, because I did drive up to see it. So this is forever known as her gift on Valentine's Day. So therefore, the Alyssa 2. So that's the story behind it. So far, the conditions are going. The conditions, if I can talk. The conditions, I think, are good. We'll see. Obviously, I made the decision. There's still some rain in the forecast, but made the decision to get out and start. As you can tell, the dust is flying, but it's also only what we got, 50 degrees, if that. It's cold, so the soil is going to be cold. It's not the most ideal conditions to be planting in, but I think the soil composition is there. It's just, you don't necessarily have the heat. But I've watched the Hefty Brothers, their YouTube channel, and one of the things that they say is they're more apt to get the seed in the ground and just have it in conditions and wait for it to warm up. Whether that is the best decision or not, I guess we'll see. But feels like it's time. So that's where my head is at. So I've gotten moved seats because, hey Huds, what you doing?
Relaxing and driving.
Relaxing and driving. Daddy's watching behind us while you watch in front of us.
Yeah. Or up.
Yeah. How's your day, Huds?
Good.
What was one of the favorite things that you did at school?
Art.
Oh. What did you do in art? You get to, what do you get to do tomorrow in school? Gym?
Yeah.
That would be fun. You got the easy job right now, right?
Yeah.
Well, we're going to turn around on the end, so you got to be...
Which way?
We're going to turn right.
Right and left.
You want to slow down? There we go. Good job. Not yet. Okay. Now you can start turning. Yeah. Good job. Nice gentle turn. A little bit sharper. We're good. Yep. Now line it back up into that one, okay? Hey, good job. Yep. Keep going. Now straighten it back out. Hey. Awesome job. Okay. Hit the green button.
What, did Mom text already?
And there you want to hit the L or the H?
stuck, don't get stuck. Good thing he always puts sound over his videos.